You know what? You don't even deserve to be here. I mean, have you ever seen an X on a treasure map? What if I told you you're sitting on it and you don't even realize it yet? What if I told you you've just stumbled on a Diablo 3 gold mine beyond anything you could have ever dreamed of? You have no clue as to the power of what you are about to be shown. But whether you know it or not, you're just 3 clicks away. That's right, 3 clicks away from the only guide which is going to rocket your game to super stardom. Yeah, I said super stardom, yeah, not Robert Pattinson or Kristen Stewart type of stardom. I mean Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie type of super stardom. We're talking about a new, awesome guide where even a level 1 noob will end up with a maxed out character without breaking a sweat and without spending any serious time in front of the computer screen. You're about to be handed your own exclusive VIP pass to tap into these secrets within minutes. You'll find out how easy it is to totally master Diablo 3 by leveling up in record time, yeah? Get tons of gold, manipulate the real money auction house, and own the PvP arenas with every single class without spending hours in front of the computer. Because if you're sick and tired of running around broke with half-assed weapons and armor using a pathetic low-level character, then listen up, because this will be the most important page you will ever read. My name is Peng Jun, and this is Diablo 3 Secrets. I mean, who am I? Now, as you probably guessed from the weird accent, I'm probably not from your part of the world. I'm from Malaysia, and I've been a huge gamer of everything Blizzard, okay? Since the days of World of Warcraft, Diablo, and even StarCraft. I've also gone to play Star Wars at the Old Republic, but the one thing I have in common with all these games is that I've totally dominated them all by getting the best gear, tons of gold, and basically maxing out every character in every game. Oh yes, I also bully and I pummel other players in PvP just for kicks. Now, listen here. You ain't in the country no more, alright? This is the bright lights and the big bad city. I'm betting 90% of you will run from this message like scared little chickens. Now, you wanna know what I really think? Alright, go back to your old gaming habit. Run around clueless. Waste hours trying to solve a quest when you can have it done within 10 minutes. Because if every strategy you know for succeeding in Diablo involves grinding or farming or killing the same mob over and over again and expecting a different outcome, this is not for you. This is not for you if you're convinced it's impossible to level faster while playing a whole lot less. This is not for you if you are uneasy about smashing and bullying other players in PvP with legendary weapons and armor. If that sounds like something you're not ready for, you might want to head back over to your low-level character, sad-ass weapons, chicken feed gold, and continue your grinding, okay? Believe it or not, I could care less about what you do next. I've got all the 5 maxed out characters with tons of gold to spare and legendary gear, which is the envy of everyone. I have everything I need in the game, okay? This is not for you, and will never be for you. But if you could see yourself exploiting the insider secrets destined to make your character level at light speed, if you're brave enough to work the system and master the auction house, if you're excited at the thought of suiting up from head to toe in legendary gear, and you want to do it easily without any nasty hacks, dumb cheats, mindless grinding, or Chinese farming, if that's you, I want you to sit back, shut up, and listen up. Because you do need to hear this. Now, here's the ironic thing. Now, go back a few months. I was just like you. Hell, I was you. I felt overwhelmed looking at a sad donkey character at a pathetic level with massive fail weapons and gear and getting shunned by other teammates because you just downright sucked. Getting owned was a daily occurrence. I needed a win. And really bad. Now, if that's you, get ready for everything to change in a flash, okay? Because you are about to realize that all the best techniques and secrets have been sitting right under your nose, but just hidden from your view, if you know what I mean. Now, prepare to go behind the scenes to uncover the most coveted underground techniques and insider secrets for Diablo 3. Now, imagine a character with pimped up gear, all the gold in the world, and happily running around at max cap for all 5 classes. Do you know how good it really feels to play knowing that you're an asset to your team? To be so confident that anyone in your path is gonna be so sorry they even met you? This is your chance to find out and do it without much effort and struggle. Because this guide is going to show you how easy it is to do it. Now it's decision time. Now don't forget you've got options. Behind door number 1, you can keep up with what you're doing, running around like a headless chicken and hoping that things might just turn out well. Well, good luck. and you can keep frolicking through the endless maze of quests, bum equipment, and chicken feed gold. And if that's your idea of fun, you know what? Go for it. Or you can go with door number 2. That's my door. A chance to step into something real, something proven to make you a Diablo 3 god. Not just like me, but also like my countless other beta testers and real-life testimonials who are in the exact same league as I am in now. And a chance to do it with someone who will actually take you on his shoulders when necessary to take you across the goal line to make sure you can achieve every last greedy quest, get every legendary item, and have every last gold coin you could possibly dream of. You can keep imagining that, okay? Or you can go and get it. Not next week, but right now. Now, the download button is below. If you want access to a whole new world of Diablo 3 Mastery before it closes, you must click that button now for instant access. Me and your new world of endless game-changing secrets are waiting for you on the other side, okay? And if you pass on this one, just rack that up to another long list of failures, okay? And I know it won't be the last one either. But for the rest of you, I'll catch you on the flip side, okay?